Hello everyone, how can you solve this problem? I hate this thing. I hate it too much. Every time I try to do something on my website, I got this error problem, fatal error. I'm gonna teach you how to solve this problem. Okay, we're gonna start now. Go to your control panel or cpanel. Let's go do that. Open public HTML. Find wp config.php. Click on some cpanel. You just right click and then go to edit, but in my case I'm gonna click on vpconfig.php, come on the right side and click edit. So from here just scroll down, find define vp memory limit. As you can see here, I got 256. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this to, some people with 256 it can work, but in my case it's not working. So I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna say 1024. Let's save. Let's go back to our page. We're gonna refresh this page. Let's wait and see. As you can see, it's loading again. Let's wait. As you can see, my problem is solved. Now I can edit this page. I can do whatever I want. Very simple, right? So I hope this video will help someone who is in need. And thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you like it, please subscribe and click like. Ciao.